Guys, so this week we're going to do a fun little crafty project, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a lantern out of paper, except you're going to make a really pretty decorated one. So this is just a white one, but we're going to decorate ours. So this is just a really cool trick that you can do with just some markers, paper, and scissors, and you do need some Scotch tape. So, okay, so just if you want to get those supplies ready, and here we go. Okay, so before we do any cutting, we are going to design it, and you can make your design as detailed and as colorful as you want. To make it super colorful, you would have to color this entire paper, which can take some time. So that's why markers, if you have them, might be the quickest material. But if not, you could also use crayons or whatever, and just come up with a fun design that you're gonna put along the top and bottom, and then a color to fill in the middle. So what I'm gonna do to start this, I'm just gonna do some designing in yellow, because if I make a mistake with yellow, I can always color over it, because yellow is a nice light color. So here's the top of my lantern and the bottom of my lantern, and then I have to figure out what kind of a cool design can I put in these two spaces. I could just simply do something where I color yellow, blue, yellow, blue. I could do the whole rainbow. I could make shapes inside. I could do a row of hearts. I could do a row of stars. Endless possibilities. So I'm just gonna do something simple here. Okay, so now I'm going to leave this part white. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna think of something really easy. I'm gonna put a bunch of dots in the middle. But you could, if you want to take the time, you could color this whole thing in like a solid color, or you could do another design in here. I'm just gonna do something very simple, like polka dots. And I'm just doing something simple because I don't want this video to be too long, and I don't want to take up too much of your time with instructions. So I'm keeping it simple, but you could take your time and make it something very special. Might even, I like to go in with black glass and trace over, because it kind of helps bring everything, pull everything together and make my colors stand out a little bit more. Okay. So now is time for cutting. So I'm done with my markers, and I'm going to hold my paper tall like a tree. So not like this, I'm gonna hold it tall, and I'm gonna fold it in half tall. Okay, so long ways. So don't fold your paper like this, you fold your paper long ways. And give it a nice crease, and I know you guys know that word, crease. We've learned creasing. Okay. We've also learned how to fringe. I don't know if you guys remember, but that's when you cut the paper, but not all the way. So we're gonna do something similar here, and we're gonna cut the paper, and I'm gonna go right up to my design. And when I get up to my design here, I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna pull out my scissors, and I'm gonna do that again. And I'm gonna do that all the way across. Okay, now I'm gonna open it up. This is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna roll it until the two ends meet. And there's my lantern. So I just need some Scotch tape. I'm gonna get my two pieces ready. One 2 pieces. I'm going to stick them on the edge of my table. Okay, so this meets just like that. It's a slight overlap. Take my tape, stick it, wrap it to the other side, and rub the tape down. Okay, now the other side, 2 ends meet, like that. Okay, and there's my little lantern. So if you want to hang this up, if you have a hole puncher at home, you can punch some holes in it, tie some string, hang it from somewhere, and that's that. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this project. Have fun. I'll see you later.